How is it going, guys? Drew Peacock here, back with another video, and today we're down in Mexico getting some runs in and seeing how the cars handle. We have my buddy's '08 Super Leggero with an exhaust and a tune. Sounds amazing and pulls hard. We have a couple M3s here, both boosted, one on E85 and the yellow one is on 100 octane. Absolutely insane cars. The yellow one has more custom shit on it than my car's worth. It's absolutely insane. And the white ZL1, which pulls like a damn freight train. And then also a new contender, we have a twin turbo 5.0 right here. Absolutely insane, but he is on street tires, so he can't really hook, and I'm going to take advantage of that later on. But anyway, guys, today, like I said, we're down in Mexico. We're testing out the car. We're breaking in the clutch, and we're making sure everything is working beautifully. We also have a couple different camera angles here, so you're going to see each run with two different camera angles, one of the in-car view, and then also one on the rear, so you can see some fireballs and shit. And if I'm gapping them, you'll also see them. But these cars were really quick, and I didn't expect to gap too many of them, so you guys just have to see exactly what happens.
Whatever you want.
Well, guys, as you can tell, it was a lot of fun. And I don't know if you guys like the multiple camera angles. I think it looks pretty sick with the flames shooting out of the back. That watt box is just absolutely amazing. And my car shifts like butter now. The only issue I have with my car is I cannot hook from a 40 roll. It seems before I put the new intake manifold on and the smaller pulley, I was able to hook from a 40 all day, and it was the sweet spot because I had a shitload of torque and I can just launch right off the line, and it was beautiful. Now I spin and I drop it right into third, and then I have to slowly get back up there, and it sucks. So I don't know, maybe I need to find some better tires. I know the Mickey Thompson ET Street R's that I have on are supposedly for automatics, and with a manual it's not performing as well, but my car overall did great. All around, just really fast cars. It was really fun doing the first gear pull with the Lambo, trying to reel them in, and I did it. It was a really fun run. The white Beamer magically got faster from last time. I don't know what he did, but it magically got faster. The yellow Beamer 100 octane supercharged is absolutely a beast, and that ZL1 just straight up gaps me like it's no tomorrow. So absolutely amazing. I can't wait to see the 5.0 Mustang on some slicks, and then he will just be sending me to Applebee's left and right because that car moves. But anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up. Comment down below which race was the craziest. Until next video, peace.